Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your Bose headphones. A lot of you have been asking this question, so we decided to make a video, and all you're going to need for this video is either Cottonelle wipes, Clorox wipes, paper towel, and obviously your Bose headphones. For this video, I'm going to use the Bose QC35, and stay for the end of this video for me to show you a tip on how to maintain your ear pads for longer so they don't chip or crack. Let's move on to the top of the table, and I'm going to show you how to clean those headphones.
Okay, so let's get on to cleaning the headphones. In here, I'm going to use Clorox wipes. Clorox wipes are amazing at keeping your headphones clean and bacteria free, which also means that if you work out with these headphones and you wipe them consistently with Clorox wipes, you will be able to successfully prevent any smell from sticking onto them. Sometimes the Clorox wipes are soaked in liquid. Just make sure that you drain them a little before you clean the headphones so you do not soak your headphones with that liquid and damage any electrical parts. I usually start by cleaning the ear pads. Now, and this is important, if you are using any other wet wipe that is not Clorox and it has alcohol in it, do not use them on your ear pads. Using an alcohol-based wipe on your ear pads will rub the color off of them onto the wipe. After I am done with the ear pads, I'm going to move on to the exterior of the headphones and the headband cushion. There is not much to explain here, but again, make sure that the wet wipe is not soaked in liquid. It is supposed to leave a nice coat on, but do not drench your headphones in liquid so it does not damage any electric parts in them. After you are done with the wet wipe, it is important to dry them as soon as possible. You can either use a paper towel or a microfiber cloth if you have. The reason that ear pads crack most of the time is because the moisture breaks them down, along with our sweat. So drying them off after cleaning them is crucial. Now that you are done cleaning your headphone, let me show you a quick little tip on how to maintain your ear pads for longer so they don't crack or chip on you as time goes by. To maintain your ear pads for longer, you simply want to take a silica gel pack and keep it inside your headphone case at all times. The pack will absorb the moisture and will keep your ear pads dry and protected, which will help them last longer without cracking.
I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us or simply comment down below. Please like our videos and subscribe as we release more how-to videos and some tips every month. Thank you.